all my shadow crafters, and welcome back to my channel. I just came back from taking care of my mom and my sister, and I come home to a very lovely surprise. Let's find out what's in it. And I'm not sure if this is from Miniature Sweets. Oh, yes it is! From Miniature Sweets. Let's see. I'll open up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cute. I'm not quite sure what they are, but that's my freebie from Miniature Sweets. I think that's cute, whatever it is. Probably an anime thing. Yep, still doing the Halloween thing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 cavities. I'm going to be busy. Oh yeah, this is for Christmas. Let's see. Oh, you probably see better that way. Yeah. I love making the little things. And what is it? Shaker mold. This is definitely new for me. I like it though. That's why I bought it. And once again, another one of these. You guys have all seen this. But this is something I've been waiting on and looking for a long time. Sorry about the noise. I can make a giant crystal and turn it into organite. I think it's awesome. What else? Anything else in here? No. And, okay. This also came. I'm hoping I can actually use this. Maybe things will turn out better for the thinner pores. So, yeah. I'll give a review on this later. Meanwhile, until then, please subscribe, like, share. I need a cup of coffee once in a while. And don't forget to tell your friends, there's a new crafter out there. Have a good day. Namaste.